Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on addition part 2. This video is an extension from the previous one. Here we add up numbers where the answers are greater than 10. We can use MAB blocks in the first instance until our skill levels improve. Examples. Let's look at the first one. If we're asked to do 7 plus 5, we can use some MAB blocks to help us. So here are 7 singles or 7 shorts, and here are 5 shorts. Now here we have 7, so we borrow 3 from here. So 7 plus 3, that gives us our 10. So there's our 10 there. We've got 2 left over, so we put the 2 here. So these 10 shorts here gives us 1 long plus 2 singles. 10 plus 2 gives us 12. Number 2, 8 plus 4 plus 3. There's the 8, 4 and 3. For the 8, we want to make up a bundle of 10. So we take 2 from here. So that gives us this bundle of 10. What we have left are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there they are here. So this bundle of 10 here gives us 1 long. These 5 singles or 5 shorts. 10 plus 5 equals 15. Doubles. Learning doubles automatically is very helpful when it comes to adding larger numbers. Make sure the following are memorized. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 6 plus 6 equals 12. 7 plus 7 equals 14. 8 plus 8 equals 16. 9 plus 9 equals 18. 10 plus 10 equals 20. And you can continue on to larger numbers. After the doubles have been memorized, the addition of other numbers becomes easier. Let's look at some examples. If you're asked to do 6 plus 7, we notice that this is 1 greater than 6 plus 6. We already know 6 plus 6 equals 12, but because we have a 7 here, the answer to this sum is 1 greater than 6 plus 6. So the answer must be 13. If we're asked to do 8 plus 9, this is 1 less than 9 plus 9, because that's an 8. We know that 9 plus 9 equals 18, so if this is 1 less, the answer must be 17. 7 plus 9. This is 2 more than 7 plus 7, because this 9 is 2 more than 7. We already know that 7 plus 7 is 14, so if this answer is 2 more, then it must be 16. Learning doubles helps us to memorize the 2 times tables. 1 plus 1, that's exactly the same as 2 times 1. 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 2 is exactly the same as 2 times 2. 2 twos are 4. 3 plus 3 is exactly the same as 2 times 3. 2 threes are 6. And we continue on all the way to 2 times 12. Learning simple doubles off by heart will help us to learn larger doubles. 10 plus 10 equals 20. 20 plus 20 equals 40. 30 plus 30 equals 60. 40 plus 40 equals 80, and so on, and we can keep going using larger numbers. Adding 10 to any number. Adding 10 to any number is a simple task because of the way our base 10 system is organized. Let's look at these examples. 3 plus 10 equals 13. 12 plus 10 equals 22. 23 plus 10 equals 33. 67 plus 10 equals 77. And 89 plus 10 equals 99. Adding tens by using patterns. Look for a pattern before finding the numbers in the squares. Okay, here we have a list of numbers. Now let's see what's happening here. From there to there, it increases by 10. It increases by another 10. It increases by another 10. So if we increase by another 10, 64 plus 10, I think you know, it is 74. Let's have a look at this sequence. 17, 27, 37, 47. You can see quite easily we're going up by 10. So after 47 we have 57. And after 57 we have 67. We start off with 36 in this example and we keep adding 10. Let's see how we go. Now this, be careful, this is an addition sum. So we're not asked to find the next number. This is an addition sum. We're adding those numbers together. So here we go. 36 we start off with. 46, 56, 66, 76. So when we add all those numbers up together, we get 76. Keep adding 10 to fill each square. So if we start off with 18, when you add 10, that gives you 28. If you add 10 to 28, that gives you 38. And if you add 10 to 38, that gives you 48. So this video has looked at base 10 numbers, and we've done some simple exercises. And because we work in the base 10 system, there are many patterns to follow, which makes our work a lot easier.